E for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lollipop. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for peanut. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for table. U for umbrella. V for van. W for window. X for Xmas. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra.
Hi friends, please like, share and subscribe my video. மறக்காம பக்கத்துல இருக்க பெல்ல பிரஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.